Hey, welcome to Debutify, the world's highest converting theme. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to maximize the capabilities of our excellent app. This app is a central hub for e-commerce where we provide mentoring, winning products, tutorials on how to do product research, and advanced marketing courses. Debutify, of course, is also going to convert your theme into a customized marketing funnel. We provide weekly updates to our theme, so be on the lookout for everything that's new and look out for our emails as well. First up, we have the dashboard. Debutify is set up out of the box, all ready to go. It's responsive and intuitive, and all of our add-ons are pre-installed, so you can just activate the ones that you like best. Theme page. When you're building out your themes, I'd recommend that you use the mobile view, as this is where most of your sales are going to come from. The theme page shows you all of your themes. Old themes so you can save backups, and your new theme, and of course it's where we update our theme when we have new things to show you. The theme editor is really simple, drag and drop and intuitive, and if you have any other questions or want some specific changes, feel free to get in touch with our customer support team who've partnered with Carson for specific developer needs. Product research. On the left-hand side, we have our product research tab. This is where our team curates weekly winning products and shows them to you. This isn't just a product browser though. We have spy tools so you can see competitors' stores and Facebook ads, and we've crunched the numbers on what a real good profit margin would look like for each and all of these products. That way, you can understand the profitability of these products before you get started. Courses page. Under this, we have our modules. This is a comprehensive but easy to follow course page where we show you how to build a high converting store, how to find winning products, and how to do advanced marketing. We go through product research courses, how to set up a Shopify store, and Facebook, Google, and YouTube ads. Then there's the mentoring tab. This is where you can apply for direct feedback on your store, your products, and your business model through a mentoring call as part of our premium plans. Live chat customer service. Get in touch with our great customer service team if you have any questions at all. Please, we don't mind answering your questions. We want to help you on your e-commerce journey. Just reach out through the chat box, and we even have a special service for providing feedback if you want to do any specific developments in the code or changes to the theme. In this program for feedback, we take all of your feedback and actively develop solutions. Thanks for watching and supporting Debutify. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our 24/7 customer support. Thanks.